Happy Easter! Today, this is all about large cargo helicopters. Boeing Mi-6. Okay, let's start with the largest helicopter in the world. Mi-26 Halo. Halo is the second largest helicopter behind the Mi-V12. Yup, this is my Mi-V12. The second, Mi-26, the world's largest helicopter that is in mass production. It has 8 rotor blades. This is my favorite helicopter. It's Russian. This is a Russian helicopter. This is the world's biggest helicopter that is in production. Happy Easter once again. And this is my CH-47 Chinook. I show you that it has a rear ramp that could be closed or open. Next one is the Ch-53 Stallion. This is it. It has a rear rolling ramp. It has 6 blades, 4 blades on the tail rotor. This is a military helicopter. Next to it is the Ch-53K Stallion. This is the largest military helicopter in the military, the heaviest. I made 7 blades, just like CH-53K. The Super Stallion CH-53E has 7 blades on the main rotor. It's a rear cargo ramp. This one will be a military livery. Once I'm done, it's going to be a military scheme. Next is the Mi-6. All 5 cargo helicopters. This one is the Mi-V12's transmission and the blades. They have the cargo ramp and wings on the helicopter. This is it. Every helicopter from the large cargo helicopters. This one will be finished. This is the Mi-26 Chinook, CH-53 Stallion, and Super King Stallion, the King helicopter, and the Mi-6. This is all helicopters. Happy Easter. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. They have an opening ramp.